There was a man who worked very hard every day. He earned money through honest labor, yet his life never improved financially. No matter how much effort he put in, his situation remained the same, always struggling, never progressing. One day, tired of his unending problems, he heard about a wise and wealthy man who lived nearby, known to everyone as Mr. Zahir, the owner of a large mansion. People said he was kind, generous, and successful. The poor man decided to meet him and ask for advice. He went to the mansion and requested permission to enter. Inside, he saw an elderly man sitting calmly with a warm smile. It was Mr. Zahir himself. The man bowed respectfully and said, "Sir, I've been working hard for 5 years. I earn a decent income, but my life hasn't improved. I can't save anything. Please tell me, what should I do to become successful?" Mr. Zahir smiled and replied, "Not everyone who earns money becomes prosperous. You need to learn the rules of wealth. I'll teach you 5 principles. Follow them sincerely, and you'll surely walk the path of success." The man nodded eagerly, ready to listen. Mr. Zahir said, "Keep your expenses lower than your income." It seems simple, but few people truly follow it. If you earn 5,000, save at least 2,000. If you earn 3,000, save 1,000. Never spend more than you earn, otherwise you'll soon fall into debt and poverty. The man listened carefully, realizing how important this simple rule was. "Life is uncertain," said Mr. Zahir. "Accidents, job loss, or illness can happen anytime. Keep some money aside for emergencies. If you don't, you might have to sell your belongings or borrow money when trouble comes." The man understood. Savings were not optional, they were protection. "Don't just save money," he continued. "Invest in yourself. Learn new skills, buy better tools, read good books, or take a course. The more capable you become, the more valuable your work will be." The man realized that success wasn't only about earning money, it was about growing his ability. "Once you develop your skills," said Mr. Zahir, "start your own small business or side project. This will give you greater control and confidence. When your skills and hard work align, your income will grow naturally." The man nodded with new hope in his eyes. "Finally," said Mr. Zahir, "use your savings wisely. Invest in assets that generate income even when you're not working, such as a small business, real estate, or any source of regular return. This is the path to lasting freedom." The man bowed with gratitude and asked, "Sir, will these principles really change my life?" Mr. Zahir smiled again and said, "Wealth is not just about money, it's about discipline, patience, and wisdom. If you apply these principles consistently, you will see a great transformation." From that day onward, the man started following all 5 lessons. Slowly but surely, his financial situation improved. He built savings, gained skills, and eventually became prosperous.